Has mold begun to develop and grow inside your home or business? Have you tried to get rid of the mold yourself, but it keeps coming back? It takes as little as 48 hours for mold to spread, and it can lurk in damp or humid areas like basements, ducts, attics, and bathrooms. Mold is a silent menace releasing microtoxins that cause allergies and making you sick. A thorough examination by our team of licensed mold remediation experts can identify potential problems and prevent them from becoming a big issue. Whether it's your home or business, our team can locate all the mold and mildew quickly, bores effectively with professional equipment, and ensure it will not continue to grow. Don't take the risk of mold-induced health problems. Contact us about our specialist mold remediation services today.